In the past decade, social media has transformed from a simple platform for connecting with friends and sharing photos, to a powerful tool that influences our daily lives. With the rise of artificial intelligence, AI, and advanced algorithms, social media platforms have become more than just a means of communication. They have become personalized ecosystems that shape our thoughts, behaviors, and even our sense of self. In this article, we will explore the evolution of social media and its profound impact on individuals like you. The early days, connecting people. Social media started as a way to connect people across distances. Platforms like MySpace and Friendster allowed users to create profiles, add friends, share updates, and exchange messages. These early platforms laid the foundation for what was to come, an era where communication would be at our fingertips. The rise of Facebook, a global phenomenon. Facebook revolutionized social media by introducing features like News Feed and Likes. Suddenly, users could see updates from their friends in real time without having to visit individual profiles. This shift towards content curation marked a turning point in how we consume information online. Instagram's visual culture. A picture is worth 1,000 words. With the advent of smartphones equipped with high-quality cameras came Instagram, a platform focused on visual storytelling through images. This shift towards visual content changed how we express ourselves online. Suddenly, everyone became photographers capturing moments worth sharing. Twitter's real-time conversation. Breaking news at your fingertips. Twitter emerged as the go-to platform for real-time conversations about breaking news events or trending topics worldwide. Its character limit forced users to be concise yet impactful in their messages, leading to viral tweets that shaped public discourse. The age of influencers. From friends' recommendations to celebrity endorsements. As social media evolved further, a new breed of influencers emerged. These individuals gained massive followings by curating content and building personal brands. Influencers became the new source of recommendations, shaping consumer behavior and even dictating trends. The dark side. Social media addiction and mental health. While social media brought many benefits, it also gave rise to addiction and mental health issues. Constant exposure to carefully curated highlight reels of others' lives can lead to feelings of inadequacy, anxiety, and depression. Studies have shown that excessive use of social media is linked to poor mental well-being. AI takes over. Personalization at its finest. With the introduction of AI algorithms, social media platforms have taken personalization to a whole new level. By analyzing user data such as browsing history, likes, and interactions, these algorithms create tailored feeds that reinforce users' existing beliefs while filtering out dissenting opinions, creating echo chambers that may limit critical thinking. The power of data. Privacy concerns in the digital age. The collection and utilization of vast amounts of user data by social media platforms have raised concerns about privacy infringement. From targeted ads based on our online activities to potential misuse or mishandling of sensitive information, the power dynamic between users and platforms has become increasingly imbalanced. In conclusion, social media has come a long way since its humble beginnings as a means for connecting with friends online. It has evolved into an influential force that shapes our thoughts, behaviors, and sense of self in ways we may not fully comprehend. From Facebook's news feed revolutionizing how we consume information to Instagram's visual culture changing how we express ourselves visually, from Twitter's real-time conversations shaping public discourse to influencers becoming tastemakers, each stage in the evolution has left its mark on society. However, this evolution hasn't been without its challenges or consequences. Social media addiction is now recognized as a significant issue affecting mental health worldwide, while privacy concerns loom large in an age of data collection and AI-driven personalization. As users, it is crucial to be aware of the impact social media has on our lives. By understanding its evolution and the potential pitfalls, we can navigate these platforms more mindfully. Let us embrace the positive aspects while remaining vigilant about the negative influences, ensuring that social media remains a tool for connection and empowerment rather than a source of harm.